Hello friends, here I have come up with tips and tricks for the chapter nitrogen containing compounds. First, alkyl nitriles are the esters of nitrous acids. Second, nitrobenzene is a good solvent in Friedel-Crafts reaction because it dissolves AlCl. Third, chiral amine. Chiral amine test is specific for only and only primary amines. Fourth, in water, the basicity follows the order primary is less than tertiary is less than secondary. That is, the secondary is the strongest base in the water. Okay. Fifth, nitroparaffins are used as solvents for oils, fats, resins, esters, rubbers, and cellulose, etc. Nitromethane is used as high power fuel in racing automobiles. Fifth, all amines have basic properties. The basic property, that is the tendency of primary, secondary and tertiary amines to bind a proton, is due to the unshared pair of electrons on the nitrogen. As nitrogen contains lone pair, it can bind with any compound by sharing or donating the lone pair. I hope you are clear with these 5 points. The points can be asked as an MCQ question, so this is a very important topic and some tips to remember certain important compounds and their properties. So just have a look on these points. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Thank you for watching. Visit us at needbook.in.